here for the Global Excellence Award and I'm very excited to be here. ये मेरा पहला award है मेरी show के बाद जो release हुआ है अभी recently दिल दोस्ती dilemma on Amazon Prime. So I'm very excited to see all the people here and what all awards are happening today.
Congratulate Rahul ji. He's honouring all the unsung heroes, the small entrepreneurs from the small scale industries, the MSMEs, and they are contributing towards our nation's economy. And they truly, I think, not given their due. And he very kindly does this. Event where he is recognizing them and he's honouring them. So congratulations, and it's a great endeavour.
The main purpose, the main goal of Brand Empower's Global Excellence Award is to shine a spotlight on such business owners who are actually hidden gems in our nation. जब तक बिजनेस आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा मेरा मानना है देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put our hands together for Shilpa Shetty. Congratulations, everybody! Okay, we have Shilpa ma'am with us in the house. Everybody make some noise! And before we move on, Rahul, can I please have you up on stage to felicitate Shilpa ma'am? और जोरदार तालियां for Rahul Ranjan Singh as well. Proudly partnered by digital marketing partner, we have WebPulse Solution Private Limited, radio partner Radio City, CSR partner WebPulse Foundation, B2B partner is GetManufacturers.com, e-commerce partner is LocalDukan.com, wellness partner is NaturalTherapyIndia.com. Now, from an impressive pool of over 30,000 nominations, Brand Empower has meticulously selected the top 120 winners across various sectors. Now, these sectors include manufacturing, services, healthcare, education, real estate, tours, travels, beauty, wellness, and spirituality. And not just these sectors, but apart from this, the glamour world is also with us tonight. From the world of Bollywood, television, OTT platforms, the dynamic realms of YouTube and influencers are also going to be joining us tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with Global Excellence Awards 2024. Everybody make some noise! And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, the most promising talent of the year, female, goes to Anushka Sen. Everybody make some noise for Anushka.
This award is really special. Thank you! But I have to dedicate this award to my parents because without their love and support, I wouldn't be here. I've been acting since 14 years now. And this is my first award after the show released Dil Dosti Dilemma. So I have to dedicate this to Amazon Prime, to the entire team of DDD. And getting this award from the Shilpa Shetty. I'll never forget this moment. So thank you so much. Thank you for this acknowledgement. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Anushka. Thank you.
मुझे मिला है मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग टैलेंट ऑफ द ईयर एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि ये दिल दोस्ती डिलेमा के बाद मेरा पहला अवार्ड है. मैं डेडिकेट मॉम को करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आज मदर्स डे है. सो थैंक यू सो मच GA फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अवार्ड.
Hello and good evening. I'm Dara Singh and I have with me the very young achiever Anushka Sen with me who's just won an award. So first question to you, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm so happy to be here and this is a great event and of course it's so eventful for me as well today. So I'm really happy to be here.
And winning an award in the hands of mother, Shilpa Shetty. How did it feel?
Oh, amazing. She's stunning. I think she's gorgeous and she's so talented. I personally am a huge fan, and getting the award from her was really special. Like, genuinely a moment that I'll always cherish. So, yeah, really amazing.
Amazing. So, apart from the web series that you've done and you're getting all the love from across the globe, you are also the brand ambassador for Korea Tourism. Wow. I mean, Korea is not a destination that everybody travels, but it is a very, very beautiful country, and I think they chose you to promote it in India, which is brilliant. You're also doing a film there, which is called Asia. So congratulations on firstly doing an international film. Being so young, how do you feel to be an ambassador and doing international work already?
It's really amazing. It's a very big responsibility, and I'm really grateful and humbled by the opportunity that I've gotten at this age. And I just wish that I can, contribute into promoting India also somewhere. Like, if representing your own country makes a big difference and makes you feel so happy, and it's a beautiful feeling. So I'm really lucky and humbled that, I've got this opportunity at this age. I want to say that, as artists, all we can do is try our best, do our job, and perform. But when we get such recognition, it makes a big difference because you get even motivated and even more inspired to do your best. So thank you, Rahul ji, for considering us and giving us this acknowledgement, because it really makes you feel like you want to do even better.
That was the superstar Anushka Sen for you guys, who's rocking the world at such a small age. So thank you for being here. I absolutely loved having this chat with you, and to many more awards.
Yay, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.